Punjabi butter cream, chicken corn.
Samosa. Samosa?
Yeah.
What you call that?
Samosa chaat.
This one?
Yeah.
Do you really have to put this here?
Not bad.
Not sweet.
It's just sweet.
Yeah. Why the
Good. Philippines, I know.
what?
I tried Thai food.
How did you know Tagalog?
Yeah, I have friends on TikTok.
Oh, yeah.
Vita sauce. Huh? Vita sauce? This is nice. It's मीठा है.
Hello guys, so this is just another day detour to Australia. Haggard tayo today's video. So I just went outside kay papakita ko niyo kung yung labas. Kasi earlier it was so cloudy, malakas yung hangin, and now look at this. Yeah, so you see that? That is amazing. The sky is so, I mean, it's not clear, but it is so beautiful. If only I can see the over there. Oh, is that a tornado? I don't think so. I don't think Australia have had a tornado before. But yeah, that is so beautiful. Yeah. So yeah, I was just showing you that. So yeah, I was just showing you ang labas. Kasi maganda. Bakit ba? Anyways, that's it. Hi guys. Good morning. Today is what day is today? Oh, Sunday. And nagmamadali ako guys kasi may job interview tayo, which is going to be at 12:30. It's already almost 11. And I'm trying to catch the 11:17 train, so I can get there at least by 12:30. Yeah, kain tayo guys. I mean, naubos ko na almost. Breakfast, samyang with egg, sunny side up egg, and samgyeopsal, yung meat. So good. Actually, kagabi lang to, naluto kami ng housemate ko. And it was so good. Testira lang to. Kasama ko yun today. Yeah. Pray for me na matanggap sa work nito. Kasi kailangan natin ng datong. You know what I mean? I'm just going to wash mga ginamit ko. Yes, guys, I haven't been updating you. So yeah, I haven't been updating you on what is happening. So, as you might have seen in my previous vlog, you can watch it if you haven't yet. See, if you haven't watched it yet, please watch, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, so I haven't been updating you. I went to Australia to study, and yes, para umunlad ang ating buhay. So yeah, I have been here already for 1 month na mahigit. Yeah. And still settling in. I'm saying di pa ako settled kasi wala pa akong stable na job. So yun na nga, guys. We're in a hurry. Sabi mo nga kanina, yung train is 11:17. Tapos, feel ko 11:05 na. And, mag-iintay pa tayo sa, magkukross pa ako. And, ang masasakyan. Yeah, kaya to. Aabot ka. Yan, may tren na. Pero, that's not what I'm going to get. So, hindi yun yung sasakyan ko. Yung 11:17 na pa-Cranbourne na diretso. Kasi yun yung interview natin.
The next station is Noble Park. My apple.
So, ayun nga guys. Dumating na tayo sa Cranbourne. Then I'm just going to walk to the Park Center. I mean, Cranbourne Park Shopping Center. Kakahiya naman mag-vlog. Kahit di naman ako kilala ng mga tao dito. Anyways. Yeah.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
Nakatang makikaso. Ulit na ko ron. So, gikan ko interview. Well, yeah, it was okay. The interview went well. They're gonna start. I'll be starting the training this Friday. And yes, po ulit na ko ron guys. Yeah. Tapos eh. Ikot na lang dala. So, see you na sa balay guys. Bukod na itong ilong. See you later. Hello guys. So, nasa bahay na po tayo. Mabihag na ako kayo ng map. Yeah. Nasa bahay po tayo. Nalagay ko lang sa tamang lagayan yung ating dalag kanina. Because saan nung kakalisod? Tani ko. So, andito tayo sa bahay. Nakauwi Nakauwi na tayo. So, yeah, today, we went to an interview. It's a little bit far. But yeah, I just tried it. I mean, the task is okay. I think I can do it. However, the time na magsisimula siya is, I don't think... I mean, kaya ko naman kasi 4:30 siya mag-start in the morning. Kaya naman yun. Kaso nga lang, wala akong masakyan papunta doon. May Uber or parang Grab dyan sa Pinas. Ang mahal naman. So, kasi wala pang available kasi syempre hindi pa ako marunong mag-drive. So, I'm just using the public transportation. And I checked sa PTV if may biyahe before 4:30. Pero wala. The earliest is like 5, I guess? No, 4. 4:30 something. And it's going to arrive doon sa pupuntahan ko 5 na. So it doesn't work. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm gonna message the owner that I just talked to earlier and tell him na baka may ibang position siya na mabigay sa akin na pwede ako mag-work like later because the earliest time na ng public transport, which is the train, is still 4. Yeah, we'll see. Kakayanin. So, anyway, I just updated you kasi hindi ako nakapag-vlog pa uwi na because dahang akong dala ng grocery ko gamay niya bukat kayo. So, galis ko dala. I think I took a couple of clips. So, yeah, that was it. So, yeah, I just updated you and I will end the video right here. I thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Baka makatulong na rin to. Charis. So yeah, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please like if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. You have a good one. Be safe. Mag-ingat lagi. And see you on the next one.